Hello students, welcome to our college and welcome to the science stream. I heartily congratulate all of you for taking admission in FYBSc and I welcome all of you in our first lecture. I am Dr. Geeta Patil, Head Department of Botany, and I am going to teach you the subject botany. So first of all, I congratulate all of you for choosing this path, and it will definitely gives you your destination. So you definitely reach up to your destination by choosing this path. So it's your best decision, and do your hard work and go further. Okay, so let's start with our first lecture, that is botany. What do you mean by botany? All you know, botany is nothing but the plant sciences. That is the science which is related to the study of plants and the various aspects of plants processes. So it is the scientific study of plants. You see plants everywhere. There are many kinds of plants. There are various varieties, various sizes, shapes, colors, structures. They are of various types. So from the childhood, you see the plants in your environments, in your surrounding environments, and you know that it's a scientific. Now you are going to study scientifically that plants. So how the plants grow, what is the structure of plant, what are the types of plants, what are the different structures, what are the opportunities in studying the plant sciences. All these things you are going to study in your BSc course. Okay, so first of all, it is a Greek word, that is botany. It is a branch of biology and which is derived from the Greek word, that is botany, which means herb or grass or fodder. You know that herb means a small plant or soft that is stem structure, and you better know the grass and fodder. Okay, so these are the plants. From the meaning of that plants, this botany word created. Okay, so botany is nothing but the scientific study of all the plants which are present on the earth, and it is also the study of its various aspects. That is, there are various aspects present in the plants, and all these aspects, they are studied in botany. Okay, so this is a phytology, or you can say it's a plant biology. Phyto means plant and logy means to study. Okay, to study the plants means phytology, or in simple word you can say plant biology. It is referred to as a thread or string which connect human beings with nature. Yes, of course. These plants, by seeing these plants, we feel very fresh. We feel energetic. Okay, so these are the mediator. These plants are the mediator which connects us with the nature, with our surrounding environment, and there is a creation of love towards the environment through this plant. By seeing these various types of plants, its flowers, its fruits, its structure, its greenery, we just love it. We just love our nature or our environment. So it is a mediator, or it is a thread, or it is a string. आपण म्हणतो ना की एक धागा आहे जोडणारा. हा धागा जो आपल्याला एन्व्हायरमेंटशी किंवा नेचरशी किंवा आपल्या ज्या आजूबाजूला जे आपलं सराउंडिंग आहे पृथ्वीवरचं, त्याच्याशी आपल्याला हा अगदी जोडायचा प्रयत्न करतो. कोण? इट इज दॅट इज द स्टडी ऑफ प्लांट्स. प्लांट्सच्या स्टडीमुळे आपण अजून नेचरच्या जवळ जातो आहे. ओके, सो इट इज अ स्ट्रिंग और इट इज अ thread which connects us with the surrounding environment or the nature. So how nature is beautiful, we can that is see through these plants. Okay, so this study, first of all, that is a vast study has been done by a great that is scientist or great botanist that is known as Theophrastus. So that's why for his great work and for his efforts, he is known as the father of botany. Yes, Theophrastus is known as the father of botany. He started studying the plants in a scientific manner. So Theophrastus is known as the father of. It has a lots of branches. Botany has a lots of branches. You can study here. There are a number of vast branches. Some of them are plant taxonomy. Plant taxonomy means in which we study the classification of plants. We can group the plants into various or we can classify the plants in various groups. So it is studied in plant taxonomy. Then pomology. Pomology is nothing but the study of that is fruits. फलोत्पादन म्हणतो ना आपण, that is the pomology. Then rhodology. Rhodology is nothing but the study of roses. Okay, so it is an agriculture science. You better know the agriculture because our that is country is based on agriculture. So agriculture science is always closely related with the plants. Then agronomy, that is the crop science. Agroastrology, then algology. Algology is the study of algae. Arboriculture. Arboriculture means that is the development of huge tree like plants. That is the arboriculture. Then bacteriology, you know that bacteria, the study of bacteria is bacteriology. Then the study of ferns, mosses, that is bryology. Okay, then economic botany, then ethnobotany, then horticulture. Lichenology, that is the study of lichens. Lichen is the symbiotic association of algae and fungi, that is lichenology. Then study of fungi is mycology. Then orchid study, orchidology. Paleobotany, that is the study of fossil plants. Then palynology is the study of pollen grains. Okay, so these are the branches. Vast, there are so many branches of botany that if you are interested in some thing, you can go ahead with that branch. Okay, so this is the basic, that is you now you will that is you will doing the basics in that is botany. Then you can further that is select the your that is choice course, your course of your choices, and then you go further in this branch. Okay, so there are many branches. Plant genetics आहे, plant pathology, then plant physiology, plant biotechnology, plant biochemistry, teridology, plant ecology. These are all the number of branches are there. So there is a, if there is a number of branches, then it should be a number of scope, a vast scope is there in the that is study of botany. So what is the scope? What will be the scope in this studying botany? So yes, there are number of scopes, but if you, what's your choice or what's your desire or what's your liking, based on that, if you are a person who enjoys the outdoor work, or you can say the field work, so you like wandering here and there, you like to travel uh, to every here and there, and you like the traveling. Okay, so if you are like that this type of person, so your you have a scope in ecology, then taxonomy, conservationist, then you will become a forester or plant explorer. So these are some of the branches where you can or you will do your career. Okay, so your work may take you foreign and exotic lands. If you are wandering here and there and you are going to do work in that field, so maybe your might be your work may take you foreign and exotic lands. Exotic lands means foreign lands. Okay, so these are some of the opportunities. If you like mathematics or you have a mathematical background, then biophysics, developmental botany, genetics, modeling and systems, these are the branches you can choose. Again, if you are interested in chemistry also, then and your botany, you want to become botanist and you also interested or you also love chemistry, then you can choose plant physiology, plant biochemistry, molecular biology, or plant that is chemotaxonomist. You can become a chemotaxonomist also. So these are some of the scopes. So further, there are various opportunities to make your career that is more dynamic. Okay, so you can study further. After BSc you can do MSc. After you can do MSc in various branches of botany. Some of these branches are mentioned here, that is botany and forestry, herbal science, diploma in medical botany, in biodiversity, then MSc in cytology, genetics and plant breeding, then MSc in pharmacognosy, plant taxonomy, plant physiology. There are a number of branches where you can do MSc. Also after MSc you can do competitive, or you can appear for the competitive exams for the lecturership or for the research fellow. So CSIR UGC that is conduct every year NET and SET exams, that is National Eligibility Test and State Eligibility Test. Okay, so these tests, they are for the lecturership, okay, or for the research, for to join the research fellow. So if you go further and further, that is if you want a handsome salary, or you are interested in research also, so you want to do research in plant sciences, so you can do PhD with JRF, that is Junior Research Fellowship, and this fellowship it help you in doing your PhD. So these are the higher degree or higher that is fields in botany. You can do this that is you can have this opportunity to do these things, that is you can do the post graduation. After post graduations you appear for the competitive exam, or you can do PhD. So after doing your higher education, you should definitely get a highest job with handsome salary. Okay, if you don't want to do higher education, you want to do only BSc, or you can do MSc, further MSc. So you don't want to do any further study, so but still then you have a job opportunities, you have a career in botany. So after doing BSc or MSc, what are the job opportunities? Before that, we will discuss about the again the next career, that is in botany. You can also do after BSc MBA. MBA in healthcare management, hospital administration, sales and marketing, and supply chain management. if you want to do your graduation in botany and after that you want to go in the marketing field, then you can also do MBA. So this is the, now let's see about the job opportunities. Okay, so what are the job opportunities in after doing your graduation or post graduation? Job opportunities will be there in public or government sectors as well as in private sectors. Okay, in government sectors there are number of departments where you can get your job after doing BSc. Educational institutions are there: Department of Environmental Protection, National Park Service, then Department of Agriculture and Water, Department of Construction of Land and Management, then Indira Gandhi National Tribal University. These are some of the government sectors. These are some of the institutions or the areas where you can get your get your job as a horticulturist, as a breeder, as a landscaping for doing the landscaping, all these, you know that landscaping म्हणजे काय की जेव्हा तुम्ही एखादा एरिया पूर्णपणे अगदी क्रिएटिव्हली एखाद्या छान गार्डनमध्ये किंवा एखाद्या छान एरियामध्ये पूर्ण ग्रीनरी किंवा तिथे कोणते प्लांट्स लावायचे, काय करायचं, एक छानपैकी एक प्लॅन तयार करू शकता. दॅट इज द लँडस्केपिंग. ओके, फॉर द म्हणजे याच्यासाठी टुरिझमसाठी म्हणा किंवा याच्यासाठी, तर दॅट इज द लँडस्केपिंग. ते हा बिझनेस किंवा याच्यामध्ये खूप जास्त स्कोप आहे आजकाल, कारण एव्हरीवन वॉन्ट टू डू सम लँडस्केपिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ their houses, in front of their farm houses, and wherever they live. So this fields, they has a great opportunities for that. So then in public sector also, if you want to do in research areas, so as a lab technician or as a assistant or as a preservation assistant, so after BSc you can get a job in that public sectors. There are that is the higher institutions where you can get a job. So it is a Botanical Survey of India, then National Institute of Oceanography, Indian Agricultural Research Institute, Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education. So Botanical Survey of India means BSI. This is the most that is higher in their higher opportunities are there. So you can join here as a botanical assistant, or you can join here as a preservation assistant, because Botanical Survey of India मध्ये जास्तीत जास्त प्लांट्सला कसं प्रिझर्व केलं जाईल, म्हणजे जे नष्ट होण्याच्या मार्गावर आहेत किंवा त्यांना धोका आहे, दॅट मीन्स एंडेंजर्ड अँड थ्रेटन्ड प्लांट्स, दे गेट प्रिझर्वड देअर. सो यू कॅन डू वर्क as a preservation assistant in that Botanical Survey of India. So it's a very huge that is area where you can get a job. So you can get your the salary that is from 10,000 to 35,000. As the experience you have, you get the experience, your salary increases. Okay. As a preservation assistant you can get 6,000 to up to 20,000 per month. Okay, in National Institute of Oceanography, that is NIO, that is you can work as a project assistant. In Indian Agricultural Research Institute, IARI, that is you can join as a forest range officer or other post of the forest office, that is, and the salary you can get that is 15,000 up to the 40,000 per month. You can also join as a lab assistant also. Okay, so this is the again the Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education, that is ICFRE. Here also there is a vacancy of field assistant or scientific assistant, and you can get that is from 15,000 up to the 40,000 per month salary. So these are the opportunities, these are the job opportunities in government or public sectors. So if you don't want to go in public sectors, there are these are the institutes, they conduct some exams, and after passing these exams you can join there. So in Google you can surfing for these institutions, and you uh, you come to know the about their exams and their vacancies and all these things. Okay, so after if you don't want to go that is government job, then there are lots of private jobs are also available for you. Some of the industries, that means industry is the third major employer, if you can say. In botany student also, they get the opportunity in various types of industry. For example, oil industry, drug companies, then chemical industry, lumber and paper companies, seed companies, food growers, then fermentation industries, tissue culture industries, then arboretum, biotechnology firms, nursery, farm and environmental consultancy. These are some of the areas or the sectors where you can get the job. So some of the big industries, big that is companies, that is Hertz Business Solutions, HBL Global, then QC Botans. These are some of the huge. You can search on Google, and you can get all the information about these companies and the job opportunities also, and eligibility and all these things. So you can do that is you can do a job like as a nursery manager or greenhouse manager. So up to the 40,000 per annum, sorry, 4 lakh per annum uh, salary is there. You can work as a plant biochemist in various companies or industries, and in that area you can also earn 1 lakh up to 4 lakh per annum. Okay, so another some of the, that is private sectors, that is few are the areas where you can work as a academic journal assistant editor, airport wildlife biologist, aquatic biologist, forest services biologist, department of army, environmental quality analyst, then farm manager or educator, fish and wildlife technician, laboratory technician, municipal park ranger, wetland scientist, environmental resources laboratory, plant health inspection. All these fields, they are also available for you, and you are you can work as a on this post. Okay, you can work as a farming consultant also. In that farming consultant you earn up to 5 lakh per annum salary. Then you can work as a environmental consultant. Here also you can get 1 lakh up to the 7 lakh per annum salary. So there are vast areas or the vast scope or career in botany. Only you have to do that is you, that is every time you upgrade yourselves and be aware about all these opportunities, always searching, always seeing these opportunities, then and then only you can get these opportunities, or you can get the jobs in various fields, in public government or in private fields. Okay, so there are number of that is fields for you as a botanist. So that's why I must say that you are choosing best option or best your career path, and you must get something that you like. Okay, so my best wishes all are always with you. Okay, these are some of the today we are only discussing about the what is botany and what is the scope of that botany, what are the various careers you can do in botany or job opportunities. So I think you better understand about the career scope, importance of botany, and what will you do after doing your career in botany. So before studying botany, I want to aware you all about these things. So you can better that is you can better you can have a better option, okay, for choosing the career in future. Okay, so that's all about for today's. And your syllabus, your paper, what will you do, what will you study in your that is paper, that will all that will be discussed in our next lecture. So till then, uh, thank you very much, stay tuned with me, and we will meet at our next lecture. Thank you very much.